Hello, welcome once again to Just Tech Solution. I'm really grateful for the likes and comments and the subscription. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to install fonts for Windows. Let's get straight into the video. Let's say you've downloaded the fonts already, or you have a font in which you want to install. Control A highlights everything. You can check out on the link below. I've made a video that talks about keyboard shortcuts. You can check it out. Right click on the font you want to install. Click on install for all users. After you click on install for all users, for me, I already have the font installed. That's why I got this pop-up message. So I click on yes. You wait for it to install. Open the run box using Windows R on your keyboard. Type control panel to open the control panel. Click on appearance and personalization, and then click on fonts. You realize there are a lot of fonts installed. Now let's go through to check out the fonts we just installed, if it has been installed successfully. You realize it has been installed successfully. That's why you can see it. Let's now open Microsoft Word and check if it shows. Open a blank page, and now at the font menu, search for the name of the font you just installed. Type in whatever you want to type. Check out how the font looks like. Thanks for watching. I hope you have really learned a lot today, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and don't forget to share so others can also get to learn more as you also learn. And as I always say, practice makes man perfect, so keep practicing, and don't forget to leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.